Like the video, click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.